How to buy land in Metaverse Sandbox. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can buy your very own land in Sandbox. So having said that, let's just jump into it. So for those of you who don't know what a land is, it's basically a virtual piece of land that you can buy in a metaverse, and you can do practically anything with it. So let me just show you how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, I'm on the website. I'm on sandbox.games, and this is their website. And over here on the left side, we have some options. So we have alpha, we have the marketplace, we have create, map, and about. What we're going to do is we're going to click on create. What we're going to do is we're going to click on map. It's going to open up the map over here. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and then I will show you the pieces of lands that are available. Now, why should you buy these lands? Well, it's pretty simple. Currently, Metaverse is really popular, and anyone is going into it and buying a piece of land and getting a piece of it and expanding it. So you should as well, because it is the next future, of course. Now over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of pieces of lands, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different companies participating and buying these pieces of lands. And when you buy a piece of land, you can do a lot of things with it. You can create a business, you can host events and parties and special stuff like that. You can host like special limited edition games or limited edition levels that only a few people can come over, and you can make money off of it and profit off of it and stuff like that. Like, it's the next future. You can pretty much do anything you want with it. Like recently, Snoop Dogg had held a party in Metaverse in Sandbox, and only limited amount of people had to enter, and the only people who entered had to have a specific NFT, and if you didn't have that NFT, you couldn't enter into Snoop Dogg's party in Metaverse. So as you can see, it's really popular, and then you can actually do the same thing for if you wanted to have like a special event and it's really good, then you can charge people for it and you can make money off of it, and people will pay you to enter into that event. You're gonna add like a specific type of cryptocurrency you want, or a specific number of cryptocurrency, or type of NFT. Like, you can pretty much do anything. Now that you know now that you know why you should buy it, which type of land you should buy. So for that one, what you have to do is you have to be really fast, and you gotta be quick. You gotta be you don't have to wait, right? So the pieces that you are gonna buy and that are gonna be the most profitable to you are gonna be the ones near these big companies or events or people. So for example, if it's Atari right here, so you will see this was one of the earliest pieces of lands that were available, and as you can see, anyone has bought out these pieces of land, and they've made their own blocks and stuff like that. So that's what you're gonna do. As you can see over here at the top, new pieces of lands are coming. There's still pretty big map left. What you're gonna do is you're gonna buy around these these companies, these big people, Sandbox, because the reason is that whenever these people will hold events, you'll gain popularity too. You will be able to hold different events, and you will be able to charge people for it. And whenever someone goes, they're gonna go through your piece of land, so you can pretty much charge them as well, which is a pretty weird thing to do, but anything can happen. Okay, so now you know why you should buy it and which pieces of land you should buy. Now let me tell you how you can buy it. So over here on the left side, you will see you have three different colors. You have the orange color, you have the premium color, and you have the orange color, you have the yellow color, and then you have the white color as well. And over here you will have green color, and you will have the blue color as well. What does that mean? So over here, the green ones, as you can see over here, they're basically the ones that are sold. You can't buy them. All right, they're basically sold. They're not even on sale. The white ones are up for grabs. You can buy them on OpenSeas, right? And if you happen to find an orange one, then that one is on sale, meaning it will be someone will be selling them for cheap. And then if you find like a yellow one, then that is a premium land, and it's going to be really, really hard to get. And if you do get it, then you can make quite a lot of money off of it. So currently only the white ones are available. Those are the only ones that you can buy. So to buy them, you're going to need to log into Sandbox, and you can see the price over here at the left side when you click on that piece of land. So over here, let me zoom in so that you can see. So over here, as you can see, this is a white piece of land. If I click on it, this piece of land is currently available for 6 Ethereum. And if you want to buy it, it's available on OpenSeas. And if you click on 6 Ethereum, it's going to take you over to, OpenSeas, where you can actually see it. So over here, clicked on it. And as you can see, I can have the price in front of me. So it's currently going for $21,000, and right now this is the average price right here, 4.25 Ethereum. So if you wanted to buy, I would make that an offer and see what the seller would respond with. So it's really cool. It's really fun. It's really cool that what is happening with the metaverse. And as you can see, these pieces of lands are really, really expensive. So whenever a new piece of land is released on Metaverse, be sure to hurry up and grab it. So as you can see, currently this piece of land is coming out. This piece of land is coming out as well. This one, like still there's a lot of stuff that you can do. So I think this is the next that's gonna come out. So be sure to check out for that. You can find your own information as well. So let me just show you. When is the next of Sandbox land sale? Over here, public land sale and dates. Okay, so Q1 was Q2, Q3. We're gonna need it. All right, so 2022 Q1 Mega City. All right, that was on 13 January. Currently there is no update. Let me just see the Metaverse land map over here. This is right here. This is it. Let me see if I can find it. Don't. Okay, so recently, I think on January 13th, this happened. Mega City was released. I don't think it's currently available. Maybe we can. So maybe you can do your own research and you can find when a new piece of land is going to release. And when it does release, make sure you buy it, because as you can see, you can, after a couple of months, you can sell that simple piece of land that you acquired for maybe like maybe like a couple of $100, or maybe even $1,000, and then you can sell it for tens of thousands of dollars. All right, so keep that in mind. Buy a bunch of land, right? And then when you bought it, you can sell them. You could do that, or you can like keep buying and keep buying and keep buying and keep buying different properties until you make a big, like, big square or a big block. Then you can host different events over there, and people are going to come over and see your events, and they're going to pay quite a penny for that as well. So that's how you basically buy a land. So that's why you should basically buy a land. All right, so when you click on a piece of land that you want to buy, just simply click on make an offer or buy now if you have the money. And then when you do that, if you make an offer, the seller will look at your offer, and if that offer is reasonable to him, he'll accept the offer, and then that piece of land will be transferred to you, and your Ethereum will be cut from your wallet as well. So make sure you have a good number of Ethereum in your wallet. So as you can see, I'm currently broke. I don't have any funds, so yeah, I can't buy it. But if you have them, then you should definitely buy them. And be sure to keep an eye out for new pieces of land that Sandbox is releasing. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.